This Dubai hotel has a robot camel, and that's not even the craziest part. I just flew to Dubai to see if the future is already here, and what I found is going to blow your mind. We're talking flying taxis, a train as fast as a plane, and a hotel shaped like the moon. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, and I'm going to show you all of it. But here's the secret. You don't have to be a billionaire to experience it. For every wild, multi-million-dollar attraction, I found a hack to do it for way less. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, flying taxis. Yes, you heard that right. The kind of futuristic transportation we've seen in sci-fi movies for decades is finally becoming a reality, and it's happening right here in Dubai. Imagine stepping out of your hotel, skipping the traffic, and soaring above the city in a sleek electric air taxi. It sounds like something out of the Jetsons, but it's not just a fantasy anymore. These aren't movie props or distant prototypes. These are real, fully electric air vehicles, and they're gearing up to launch in Dubai soon. The city is known for pushing boundaries, and this is their boldest leap yet. Engineers and designers have been working for years to make these flying taxis safe, efficient, and eco-friendly. And now, they're almost ready for passengers. Dubai's vision is to create a network of vertiports. Think of them as futuristic helipads, strategically placed across the city. These vertiports will connect major hotspots like the airport downtown and the marina, making it possible to zip across the city in minutes. The plan is ambitious, but if any city can pull it off, it's Dubai. The infrastructure is already being tested, with routes mapped out and landing pads under construction. The goal? To make flying taxis as common as regular cabs, and to completely transform how people move around this bustling metropolis. Booking a ride will be as easy as tapping your phone. It's like Uber, but for the sky. You'll be able to summon a flying taxi with just a few clicks, and in no time, you'll be gliding above the traffic, taking in jaw-dropping views of the city below. But of course, there's a catch. Innovation comes at a price. The first rides are expected to cost around $150 for a short trip. That's a hefty price tag, especially if you're just looking to experience the thrill. But here's where things get interesting. Dubai's helicopter tour companies have noticed the buzz and are stepping up their game. To compete with the hype of flying taxis, these companies are slashing their prices. Instead of paying $150 for a futuristic air taxi, you can now book a full city helicopter tour for just $75. That's half the price, and you still get the same incredible aerial views. You get to soar over Dubai's most iconic landmarks, from the towering Burj Khalifa to the stunning Palm Jumeirah, all while enjoying the thrill of flight. The experience is just as exhilarating, and you don't have to wait for the future to arrive. It's available right now. We decided to try it ourselves, and let me tell you, seeing Dubai from above is absolutely unreal. The city's skyline looks even more impressive when you're gliding past it at 1,000 feet. It's a perspective you just can't get from the ground. The feeling is almost surreal, like you've been transported decades into the future. For a moment, you forget you're in 2024 and start to believe you're living in the year 2050. And the best part? You don't have to wait for flying taxis to launch or pay a fortune to get this experience. So, while the world waits for flying taxis to become mainstream, you can already get a taste of the future and save money while you're at it. This is just the first of many future shocks Dubai has in store, and we're already ahead of the curve. Ready to see what's next? Next, the Hyperloop, a train that travels at airplane speeds. You sit in a pod inside a vacuum tube, shooting from Dubai to Abu Dhabi in just 15 minutes. That's usually a 2-hour drive. They're building it now, with test tracks and prototype pods already in place. The inside looks like a spaceship, luxury seats, entertainment screens, and virtual windows. It's fully electric, energy efficient, and nearly silent. The goal? Connect the whole region, making city-to-city commutes faster than ever. Dubai's ambition is turning sci-fi into reality. In a few years, travel here will never be the same. The future of transportation is being built right now. Get ready. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but I promise you, this is real life. A hotel that's literally shaped like the moon, towering 735 feet above the ground. When I first heard about it, I thought it had to be a joke or some wild concept art. But no, this is an actual project that's happening right here in Dubai, a city that's never been afraid to dream big or build bigger. The hotel is called Moon Dubai, and honestly, it's pure architectural insanity in the best way possible. Imagine the ambition it takes to design a building that not only looks like the moon, but also functions as a luxury hotel and entertainment complex. The scale of this project is mind-blowing, and the attention to detail is next level. Inside, you'll find 4,000 suites, each designed with futuristic comfort in mind. But that's just the start. There's a full-scale lunar colony attraction, where you can experience what it might feel like to walk on the moon's surface, without ever leaving Earth. And at night, the entire structure glows, lighting up the Dubai skyline like a second moon. It's a sight you have to see to believe. I was lucky enough to get a sneak peek at one of the sky villas. Picture this, a penthouse suite nestled inside the moon itself, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering breathtaking views of both a simulated lunar landscape and the glittering Dubai skyline. The interiors are ultra-modern, with smart technology everywhere, and the vibe is like living in a luxury spaceship. Of course, the internet is totally split on this. Some people are calling it a genius innovation that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in hospitality and design. Others think it's just an expensive gimmick, a flashy distraction in a city already known for over-the-top attractions. The debates online are wild. Everyone seems to have an opinion. Some people are calling it the ultimate tourist attraction, a must-see for anyone visiting Dubai. Others argue it's a waste of resources, money, and space. But whether you're a fan or a critic, you can't ignore the buzz it's creating. And honestly, you can't deny that it's unforgettable. The sheer scale, the creativity, the audacity, it's the kind of thing you'll tell your friends about for years. People are already lining up to get the perfect selfie with the Moon Hotel in the background. Dubai has always been a city that pushes boundaries, sometimes for pure spectacle, sometimes for genuine vision. From the world's tallest building to man-made islands shaped like palm trees, this city is all about making the impossible possible. The Moon Dubai Hotel is just the latest example of that fearless ambition. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no question that millions of people will come just to see it. It's already on track to become one of the most visited attractions in the world, drawing crowds from every corner of the globe. So what do you think? Is this the future of travel and architecture, or is it just a wild, over-the-top idea? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's get the debate going. No matter where you stand, one thing's for sure. This is the boldest hotel idea on Earth. Only in Dubai could something this ambitious become reality. And trust me, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore. Let's keep going. Now let's hit the water, literally. The palm floating villas are luxury homes that float with underwater bedrooms. It's like living in an aquarium, but it'll cost you $25,000 a night. That's billionaire territory. But here's the hack: rent a luxury houseboat in Dubai Marina for just $500 a night. We did it. Sleek, modern, with amazing skyline views. We cruised the marina, relaxed on the water, and woke up to the city outside our window. It's 98% cheaper than the floating villa, but just as magical. You don't need a fortune for a millionaire experience. In Dubai, there's always a smart alternative. Live large, spend small. Let's see what's next. You can't visit Dubai without seeing the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. But tickets to the top can cost over $150, especially at sunset. Here's the hack: go at sunrise. Sunrise tickets are just $40, a 60% discount. Fewer crowds, crystal clear views, and a peaceful city waking up below you. We booked it, and the experience was unforgettable. The view is even better than at sunset. Don't follow the crowds, wake up early and save big. This hack alone pays for a fancy dinner. Dubai rewards those who look for the secret entrance. Ready for more future shocks? Let's go. The future isn't just outside, it's inside Dubai's hotels. Step into the lobby, and you're instantly transported into a world where technology and luxury blend seamlessly. Here, innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. Every detail, from the lighting to the architecture, feels like it's been designed for tomorrow. At the W Hotel, I met my robot Butler. Imagine checking in, and instead of a traditional bellhop, you're greeted by a sleek, friendly robot ready to assist you. It's a surreal experience, equal parts sci-fi and 5-star hospitality. Need towels or water? Just text the AI concierge, and within minutes, a robot glides down the hallway, delivering your request right to your door. No awkward phone calls, no waiting on hold, just instant, efficient service. The robot even announces its arrival with a polite chime, making the whole process feel effortless and futuristic. It's like R2-D2 with room service, but even more advanced. The robot's movements are smooth and almost human-like, and its digital face displays friendly expressions. It's hard not to smile when your towels arrive with a cheerful beep. There's even a life-sized chrome robot camel at the entrance. Its head moves, eyes light up, and it greets guests with a gentle nod. It's become a must-see attraction, with guests stopping to snap photos and kids reaching out to touch its shiny surface. The camel is a perfect symbol of Dubai, a blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology. It's not just a gimmick, it's a glimpse of hospitality's future. Human staff and robots work side by side, each playing to their strengths. The staff focus on personal touches and complex requests, while robots handle the repetitive tasks with precision and speed. Robots handle simple tasks, freeing up staff for real service. This means more time for genuine human interaction, thoughtful recommendations, and those little touches that make a stay memorable. The result? A hotel experience that feels both personal and incredibly efficient. Hotels here are becoming interactive, high-tech experiences. From digital screens in the lobby that help you plan your day, to in-room tablets that let you control everything from the curtains to the temperature, every aspect of your stay is tailored to you. It's hospitality reimagined for the digital age. The future of travel is personal, efficient, and a little bit sci-fi. Imagine walking into your room and being greeted by name, with your favorite music playing and the lights set just the way you like them. In Dubai, this isn't a fantasy, it's reality. Robot butlers are here, and they're awesome. Only in Dubai could you find such a perfect mix of luxury, innovation, and a dash of playful wonder. It's an experience you won't forget. Would you trust a robot with your room service? I'm all in. After seeing how seamlessly these robots work, I can't help but wonder, will this become the new normal for hotels around the world? Dubai is always pushing boundaries, and its hotels are no exception. If this is just the beginning, I can't wait to see what else Dubai has up its sleeve. For our final future shock gold coffee. That's right, a cappuccino topped with real 24-karat gold flakes. At fancy hotels, it'll cost you $50 a cup. But here's the hack: go to Al Khaimah Heritage Cafe and ask for the VIP tasting. If you ask nicely, they'll give you a free espresso-sized gold coffee. I tried it. The gold is tasteless, but the experience is pure Dubai. It's all about the photo, the story, and the feeling of luxury. And the best part? It's free. Sometimes all you have to do is ask. Dubai's hospitality culture means they love to show off. You get a golden experience and they get a happy customer. Win-win. Drink gold, spend nothing. That's the Dubai way. So there you have it. 7 future shocks happening in Dubai right now. We flew over the city, saw a moon hotel, hacked the Burj Khalifa, and got room service from a robot. Dubai isn't just building the future, it's living in it. And you don't need $1 billion to join in. With a few clever hacks, you can experience the unbelievable for less. What blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. The future is here, and it's wilder than we imagined.